Hello, on this hard reset video, I'm gonna show you how to take a long screenshot on OPPO Reno 12 FS. You can take a long screenshot of the full page, of the vertical content that scrolls, also called a scrollshot, by first opening the vertical content. So I'm gonna open settings just to test this scrollshot function, and now take a normal screenshot. To do it, press on two buttons at once, power and volume down. Now press on scroll to take a scrollshot. Now you can swipe up or down to adjust the length of the screenshot. This line is gonna be the bottom of the screenshot. I'm gonna slide to the very bottom and then press on done. Now, when I go to Gallery app, you can find the screenshot. This is the screenshot. I can zoom in, zoom out, I can scroll through it. And that is all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.